How to change and get new characters in Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video in this channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change and get new characters in Roblox. So without any further delay, let's begin. So the very first thing is you need to, of course, open your Roblox application and make sure you are logged in, and this kind of interface appears on your screen. So what you need to do is just tap on this avatar option in the middle at the bottom. After tapping on it here, you are able to see the characters option on the side by side by clothing and all. Just tap on character options, and here you will be able to see the bunch of characters that you can purchase or change. So here not only free characters, but you will be able to see the characters for which you need to pay in Robux, for which you need to purchase it. You may purchase for the premium characters, but for now we're gonna choose the free characters. Let's say I'm gonna choose this character. Just tap on the character you want to change into. After that, it may take a few seconds to process, but after processing, you will be able to see this free icon or the option. Just tap on free and tap on would you like to get Serena from Roblox for free or any character. Just tap on get. After tapping on it, it may take a few seconds, but you will be able to purchase the characters. After that, I want you to tap on this three dot here and tap on customize. After tapping on it here, you will be able to see two tabs, creations and purchase. Just tap on purchase. After tapping on it, you will be able to see the characters that you have purchased, and you can change it accordingly. You may just change it into any free characters that is available on Roblox and customize it accordingly as well. So in this way, you can change and get new characters in Roblox by following these methods. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.